All right, guys, how's it going? Just got out. Gonna go out and try to fish. Just got out. Little rough start. Launch wasn't open. Shoot across the lake. See what's up. This is only my second or third time here. Kind of excited. Kind of pumped. It's good to fish some new waters, stuff that I haven't fished for a while. Last time I went 2 hours and above out of LA downtown was Clear Lake, old club tournament that I used to fish. Decided to catch up with the guys and fish again, but yeah, now I'm out here at Lower Otay in San Diego. All right, starting this location first. Have my side scan on. There's a couple fish already right there. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that. Visibility is a shit ton, and vegetation, it's not to its max yet. It's a lot of vegetation, but I'm gonna fish this top water first. Just cover tons of water. There we go. Fish number one. It's decent. While I was watching the graph. Fish number one. It's a long kayak fish. That is a 17 1/4. Bass. Okay, there you go. Top water again. 13 1/4. I don't usually cuss, but that was unnecessary. What's up with this guy? Something else, huh? Something else. Didn't he go? He went past you, right?
Yeah.
He flew right past you, jumped you, and then sent me some wakes.
Well, that's why I slowed down, because I saw you.
What a prick.
That's all right. That's the same video the other day. There was a guy wakeboarding 20 feet from shore, missed me by about 10 feet.
No way.
They're just hugging the shoreline. Just every second fisherman, I mean, they're like 50 feet off shoreline. They're just
Rude.
They're sticking out 3-foot waves.
So rude. Anyways, my name's Dominic.
I'm Larry.
Larry, good luck.
Get any fish?
Yeah. Throwing a popper.
Oh, really?
Yep. Caught 2 already. I'm not trying to wear them out though. Saturday is a kayak tournament.
Oh, is that why there's so many kayaks out here?
Yeah, there's 2 tournaments going on. You can fish both of them at the same time. Thanks, man. Have a good one, huh? All right, guys. After that rude wake by that jet ski boat, wanted to leapfrog us. Blew past by that bass boat and me, sending a wake going at least, I'd say 30 miles per hour. Stuck 2, one at 17 1/4 and one at 13 1/2 or 13 1/4. So I'm going through this bank and I'm just marking all that I can because I ran out of spots last tournament. So I'm trying to find some offshore structure that's not close to the bank while fishing this top water. Number 3, if I can get him in the boat. So predictable, guys. I was right off of that tree right there. Keep it quiet. So predictable. Other 12 to 13 incher. Yeah, these bass are very predictable right now. Let's put it back in the water for a little bit. It's a little warm. Water's about 78 degrees, super active. Let's see how much, see how long he is. He is 14 1/4. These fish are predictable. I think during the tournament, there's gonna be, it's probably gonna take high number. I imagine it's gonna take maybe 100 inches. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Recording. Got him pinned. The POV angle wasn't working. Oh, he came off. He came off. River to sea. Oh, he came off. But we'll mark this. They're hitting the top water good.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I actually stopped so I don't wear them out too fast. But anywhere in like 8 to 14 feet of water.
Yeah.
Really slow. Quickly right off the bat.
All right.
And then I got one on the glide bait too, the swim bait.
Yeah.
I thought he was hooked up really well. He got 2 hooks in him, but then I was trying to keep it quiet. He went underneath the boat. He wasn't too big. Biggest one was like 17 inches. But yeah, try that popper out.
Yeah.
All right, well, good luck. Stick them.
Same to you, brother.
All right, guys. Just talked to Dave. Dave actually gave me 15 bucks to launch because the concession stand was closed. And all they took was cash at the machine. So that was really nice of him. But I'm going to switch from the popper to this whopper plopper and just work this bank. So, how about you? There we go, guys. Another kayaker. Can measure that one because there's a couple boats in front of me. There's another one. I think it's too big. Oh, this ended up being a nice fish. Nope, don't do that. This guy's a good fish. Good kayak fish. Yes. 17. Yep, touches 17. Good fish on the whopper. Well, there you go, guys. On the little flukey. There we go. Looks like a 15. Let's see if my guess is right this time. He really wanted that. There we go, off the fluke. Bluegill color. Real shallow. Let's get a measure on him. Oh, look at that. 15 right on the dot, guys. Just jerk. That was really cool. I saw him eat that one. That was cool. Got one on the fluke. Yeah. Man, you are on fire. Finally. All right, what is that? 4-1? Get in the boat. Didn't capture it on the camera, but here's a 17 1/4. Yeah, buddy. On the fluke.